In this tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota RAV4 key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process, don't worry, but you will need one of these CR1620 batteries. And if you don't know where to get one of those, or you'd like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is to look on the back of the device, right where this little key ring is here. And you can see there is a indentation, kind of a little slot in the plastic right along the seam there. We're going to take a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and twist the screwdriver. You'll hear it crack off. Don't worry, you're not damaging it. That is how it's supposed to be removed. Just set that to the side. Now here we're going to remove this little piece of plastic. It has the battery type and some information. It tells you how to actually remove this right there. It looks like you might want to unscrew this, but that's not how it works. We're just going to use the same flathead screwdriver, insert it, push it down, and kind of applying a constant pressure, pry back. That will remove this little disc there. And it doesn't matter which way you go from, we're just pushing down until it catches on the little edge inside there, and you're just going to pry it back. And go ahead and remove that. Now we need a special tool to remove this little battery there. Not a special tool, but we need something thin. I'm going to be using a precision screwdriver. What we actually want to do is come in on the bottom here where there's this little hole, and we're just going to pry the battery out so that it falls out pretty easily. If you do not have a precision screwdriver, first of all, I will leave a link down in the description to get this little pack that I have here. You get a couple different sizes, including this one, which is the perfect size to remove this. I'll leave a link to get that on Amazon. It is just a couple of bucks. Alternatively, I will recommend a paper clip, like a thicker paper clip that you bend out that you can insert down in here. You could try a couple things, bobby pin, maybe even a needle or something like that, but it does need to be a bit strong. I think some of those might bend, so give it a try. And if that doesn't work, that link will be down in the description for you. But we're just going in that little hole in the bottom, pushing down to the bottom under the battery, just prying back. So again, this is a CR1620 battery. It does need to be 1620 for it to fit in here. And just go ahead and push it back in. Nothing fancy there. We're just pushing it down to the bottom. And then this also, simply click it down into place, and we can now just reattach the back of the device. Squeeze that down, make sure that it's all closed up, and you are finished and ready to go. I hope that video was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. And remember, if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model, so you can always check those out or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.